Hello everyone. So the second pose that we are going to talk about is cat and cow pose. This pose is really good for your back pain, for elongating your spine, for your correcting your posture, for your neck, shoulders, thighs, and also your core. So let's see how we can do this pose. First, we will come on knee down position. If your knees hurt, make sure you are using extra padding under your knees. From here, first we are going to measure the distance that we are going to keep between our legs and our shoulders. So for this, we will first sit down on our heels. Now from here, we will keep both our arms on the mat, having a one arm distance and then a one palm distance. So this should be your ideal distance between your shoulders and your knees. From here, we will come on a tabletop position, opening all your fingers and pressing from the index and the small pinky finger on the mat. Pushing away the mat from you, making a slight gap between your knees. Make sure your hands are not moving away and they are exactly stacked below your shoulders. Staying here in this position, keeping your back straight. Make sure there is no curve in your back, but your back is totally neutral. So stay here, keeping the feet totally flat on the mat. We will keep our gaze either on the top of the mat or we will keep looking straight. So there should not be, your neck should not be going up or too down. We will stay here, hold this position for some time. Then we will inhale, and on an inhale, we will have a movement of our lower back, middle back, and we will make a curve in our upper back. If you have cervical or you have some neck issue, you will be looking straight and you will not make a lot of movement of your neck. Exhale, making a round of your back, rounding your upper back, lower back, middle back, and then bringing your neck towards your chest. There should not be a movement of your legs or shoulders. It has to be a fluid movement of your spine only, because we are activating our spine. So inhale and exhale mindfully. You can either hold on every inhale and exhale, or you can do it little fast to activate your spine before the start of your exercise regime. When you're exhaling, you have to squeeze your core muscles, your ribs, and that will help you to have a round in your back. If you have wrist pain or it is difficult for you to stay on your wrist, so you can slightly tilt your wrist outward. That will lower the pressure on your wrist. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed and not touching the ears while you are doing cat and cow. So they should be relaxed and down. There should not be any extra compression on your neck muscles. You have to be mindful of the pose. You have to be mindful of your breath and the movement of your spine. Keep pushing the mat away from you. That will help you to arch beautifully, and keep your core in while exhaling. That will really help you to have a good rounding of your spine as well. You can even have more gap between your knees if you feel that there is a limitation in the movement of your spine. Creating a gap between your legs will give you more space to move your spine very fluidly.
are some of the little basic alignments that you should keep in your mind while practicing, and I hope that this will really help you to work on your yoga practice better. And always remember that when you are practicing, even if you are doing just 4 poses in a day during your practice, that's okay. But those 4 poses have to be really mindful of what you are doing. You are being aware about your breath or not. Because just making a session for 45 minutes and trying different poses where you are not able to hold poses for a longer period of time, you're not able to feel the pose. So there is no point in doing that practice. So make sure that whenever you are practicing, when you have noted that maybe you have 5 poses in your mind, that today I'm going to work on my arms, on my shoulders, or on my legs, then stay in that pose for a longer period of time. Try to feel the breath, because it usually happens when you count till 10, the pose actually starts when you have already counted till 10. So the pose starts from there, the test starts from there, the feel of the pose starts from there. So stay in the pose for a longer period of time to feel the breath, to feel the pose, and to feel the effect of that pose on your body. I hope this will really help you. Thank you.